Mga paps, quick band tip lang. So kung 2 or more guitarist kayo sa banda, huwag kayong magsasapawan. Kung kontento ka na as a bedroom guitarist or a TikTok guitarist, skip mo to. Pero I assume most of you are in a band or would like to be in a band in the future. So sana makatulong tong tips na to. When creating content for TikTok videos or social media in general, tayo yung main character or star of the show. But in a band context, we all have to play different roles. Roles that we have to play well or at the very least properly. So dito na nagka-clash yung when we have two or more guitarists. And lalo na kung may keyboardist pa tayo. May kasabihan sa music na the guitars live in the mids. So limited tayo sa middle frequencies lang. Knowing that, how do we differentiate our playing from the other guitarists? So number one, ang simplest niyan is to play a different part of the key of the fretboard. So halimbawa, let's take for example a simple chord progression like the 4-5-1 or CDG, awit ng kabataan for example. So halimbawa yung other guitarist nagpa-play na siya ng power chords. Huwag mo nang sabayan ng power chords din. So, the first thing you can do is play a different inversion. So, syempre, dapat alam mo yung mga chord inversions mo. Okay, so C, di ba? C, D, G. This is also a C. This is a D. This is a G. Or pwede ring higher. C, D, G. Number 2, try a different effect. So halimbawa, naka-high gain or overdrive na yung isang gitarista. You can try using a clean tone. Okay, gamit kayo ng modulation like a chorus. Or something more wild, like kayo bahala. The point is to move away from what the other guitarist is playing. You can also do ambient stuff, like for example, delay. Third one, try adjusting your tone. So halimbawa yung other guitarist has a brighter tone. You could try flicking the pickup selector switch. So or also try adjusting your tone knob para medyo warm yung sound nyo. Or vice versa, kung warm yung sound niya, try mo na brighter tone. Fourth one, try a different timing. So halimbawa, balik tayo dun sa 4-5-1. Halimbawa, yung other guitarist is strumming. Huwag ka na rin mag-strum or sabayin yung strumming niya. Kasi same rhythm lang yan eh. You could try, balik tayo dito sa taas. You could try whole notes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, or quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. There are exceptions, of course. For example, genres like Doom, where it's important to have that kind of doubling effect or to add harmonic content. In that case, yung makapalan talaga ng tunog eh. Patong-patong. And or, of course, yung mga certain types of riffs na gusto nating reinforce. So, halimbawa, mga intros like, create tayo. Okay. By all means, gayahin nyo, play the same stuff para mas makapal. Or you can actually do an octave. Same ano lang, same notes pero octave. Last and most importantly, let others shine. So wag nating i-steal yung spotlight ng ibang members, no? That goes for all the members. So halimbawa, yung vocalist nyo bumibirit na. Wag mo nang sabayan ng unless it's to support her note. Or halimbawa nagro-rolling yung drummer nyo, wag mo nang sabayan ng mga legato or something. Unless you're into that fusion type of bagsakan or para ma-support yung mga kakaibang bagsakan nyo. Always remember guys, we don't always have to be the main character. So sa banda, we all play different important roles that make up the whole, yung nagpapaganda ng kabuuhan. Okay? G.